Hey guys, let's do a quick overview of the blog post settings that we have within our theme. And going over to the back end, all of the settings are located within the Flow Theme Posts section. Now there are several tabs at the top here. We have how-tos with the following video tutorial. And then we have global layout. This is where you pretty much set up the layout for all of your blog posts using the different types of blocks we offer. If you head on over to the templates tab, here we have two pre-designed blog post layouts. You can choose one of the two, and then you will be taken to the global layout page, and at the moment we are using post type A. So once you select that, you are taken to the global layout, and here you can make some adjustments to the selected layout. So let's say if you want to remove the comments area, you can do so, or if you want to remove item tag and share, you can also do that, and that will apply to every single blog post you create after the following update. Next, if you want to add additional blocks of content, you can do that as well. Simply click on Add Block, choose any appropriate block for this for the blog post, and just start adding in content from there. So it's all pretty simple and self-explanatory from here. Now there are several settings that we have. For example, within this section over here, we can make font adjustments. We can choose options like display date, display category, display excerpt, etc. So everything here is very simple and straightforward, I'd say. We also have options for our mobile adjustments, and this includes specifically display excerpt on mobile devices. Then we have the option for margins, basically adjusting the padding over the following block of content, and then miscellaneous, hiding certain blocks on desktop and mobile devices. So these options are all pretty standard across every single block. One thing that you also want to note is that whenever you are creating a blog post, you head on over to posts, you click on add new, and essentially the layout that your blog post will inherit is the layout within the Flow Theme Post section. Okay, so if you are creating a blog post and you feel that you require something a little bit different for this specific blog post, or you want to add additional blocks of content, enable use a custom layout for this post. And basically all of the blocks over here will be duplicated from the following section. And you scroll down, click on add block, add whatever block you may feel is appropriate for the blog post that you are creating. You can remove blocks if that's required. You can change the layout completely as well. And that's pretty much it. Add in all of your content and then scroll up, click on publish, and you're all set. Now, while creating blog posts, you do add all of your content to the WordPress content area. So you'd add your images and your text to this section. However, for blog post type A, and this is the following layout here, we do add the text to the excerpt section. So if you scroll down, let me just remove this area here. So if you scroll down, we do have a block that's called Excerpt, and this is where you would need to add all of your text in order for it to appear within the left-hand side. If you do not add text here, then there will be no text to the left, and if you add text to the following section over here, all of the text will appear in between or above your images depending on where it is placed. Okay, so that's just something for you to be aware of. If you want text to appear within the left column, be sure to add it to the excerpt field. And this is pretty much the only time when we actually use the excerpt within the following theme. Now, if for any reason you do not have this excerpt field available within your theme, scroll up to the screen options area and make sure that this excerpt section is enabled, and you're all set. So yeah, this pretty much summarizes and covers the entire process of blog post settings and briefly how to create a blog post. Thanks for watching this video, and I'll see you guys around later.